Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Health Solutions Home Remedies. Today I'm going to show you how to make a real basic cough syrup. The cough syrup is based on honey, it contains lemons, and it contains also ginger and water. Very simple, very basic to make. The honey is soothing, it has antibacterial properties, and it helps to reduce the severity and the frequency of a cough. Lemons, high in vitamin C and bioflavonoids, help to fight flus and colds. And ginger is warming, soothing, and antispasmodic. Put all of these ingredients together and you have a simple but an effective and safe cough mixture for all ages. Let me show you how to put it together. So we're going to start with the recipe. The recipe originally called for 1 cup of water, 1 cup of honey, and then a half a cup of the lemon and a 1/4 cup of the ginger. But we are putting this into a smaller bottle, so we're making 1/4 of the whole recipe. So we're just going to start with a smaller amount of everything. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of lemon. So we'll just squeeze the lemon juice. You don't want the pips in it, so just make sure there's no pips in there. That should be about enough for, I would say, 2 tablespoons. So let's just try it. 1 tablespoon. And lemon juice. Yep, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. There we go. Okay, and we got the water already measured out, so that's 1/4 cup of water. And now we have to go for the ginger. So the ginger needs to be peeled. And then grate it. Okay, so we're after 1 tablespoon of ginger. And that looks like about, we might have about that now. So let's see. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Yep, so we've got about a teaspoon there, tablespoon altogether, and in it goes. Okay, so last ingredient is the honey. Now, it's winter time here in New Zealand when we're making this recipe, so our honey is solid. That means we need to turn it into a liquid, and to do that we're going to use what's called the double boiler method. So the double boiler method just consists of a pot on the stove. We've got water in there, bring it to the boil, and carefully, without hurting yourself, we don't want any burns, dropping in the honey in a container. Just going to turn the heat down. Now what you don't want to do is get any of the water into the honey mixture, you just want to keep it pure. Can you see there into the double boiler? Okay, so we're just going to wait for that honey to just soften and liquefy. So that honey's taken a bit of time. It was quite solid. It's pretty chilly here, so quite solid. But it's now liquefied, and we're just about ready to tip it in to our mixture. Okay. So the mixture has made up about 180 mils of cough syrup. I put it into a bottle with a label. Dose is 1 to 2 teaspoons, 3 or more times a day. You can't really overdose on it, so yeah, you can have it much more than 3 times a day. Let's see what it tastes like. Don't forget to shake well before you use it as well. That is yum. Wow. That's going to be a favourite in your family. It's certainly going to be a favourite in my family. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on making cough syrup out of honey. And please subscribe to my channel. Give us a lot of likes and make some comments down below too. Tell us how you got on making your own cough syrup.